Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nam, and today I'm going to be going over for my seventh graders your lesson for September 21st. This is for Monday, and we're going to continue to look at how particles move differently in liquids and gases. Okay, so your do not for today, in case you missed it, was look closely at the two zoom ins below. Okay, and I want you to describe for me what the problem is with this model. Okay, you can see the cold molecule, cold dye and cold water, and then the hot water, and you can see the diagram of how the particles are moving. What is wrong with this? And I want you to type this in the note section of this PowerPoint if you did not do this in class. Okay. We just did our learning target for today, guys. We just did the do now, and let's go over the learning target for today. Okay, so your learning target for today is you'll be able to explain why the red liquid in the thermometer goes up when it is heated and down when it is cool, right? So that's how we tell what the temperature is. But why does that happen? Your scientist of the day today is Antonia Novello. She was born in 1944, and she's actually still alive. She was born in Puerto Rico with a painful disease, congenital megacolon. She was unable to get a surgery to fix it until she was 18, and this inspired her to be a doctor. She was appointed the U.S. Surgeon General in 1990, the first woman and first Latinx person of that position. That is a huge, huge accomplishment. She's focused her work on the health of women, children, and minority groups. All right, guys, so we put you in breakout rooms. You know the expectations. If you are doing this independently, then you're just going to be working on your own, okay? In the breakout rooms, what everyone did was they went and opened up this slideshow. The student who had the shortest last name shared their screen, but you're going to probably be on your own. You're going to come to this slide and click on this picture. It's going to open up a simulation that's going to pop up in a second, okay? You're going to answer these questions. What happened to water particles when we remove thermal energy? What happens to water particles when we add thermal energy? So I'm going to go back, right? So I'm going to press play. And then when I add thermal energy, it's going to get hotter. What happens to those particles? And also what happens when I cool it down? Okay, as you can see, the particles move differently depending on the amount of thermal energy. You are going to write why that happens, what you saw, and why that happens. Okay? And then very quickly, guys, your assignment for today is there are two quizzes. We're going to do a little bit of quizzes on the liquids and thermometers and gas particles. And both are Google Forms. If you click on this link, it should open up right here. Gas particles right here. It'll open it up, and then you can just answer these questions as you go. Okay. With that said, guys, if you have any questions or anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out. But that is a very short and simple assignment for today. Okay. I'll see you guys in class tomorrow. Bye-bye.